Doing rice and peas here. I have my peas in the pot. Now I'm going to wash it and put it on the fire. My peas to cook. Now it's on the stove with 2 pegs of garlic. Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt in it. This is my peas been boiling for a couple. Now I'm going to test it and see if it cook. Now my peas is cooked. I'm going to put a piece of thyme in it. Some scallion. Coconut milk. Green pepper, piece of butter, a little bit of sugar, some salt for tasting. Mix it up. Then you leave it to cook, the coconut powder to cook. Now my seasoning is cooking in the pot. Now I'm gonna put in my rice. Now I put in my rice. I'm gonna stir it. Then cover it to cook. Now my rice and peas is finished. Now I'm gonna plate it and eat it with some curry steamed fish. Guys, my curry steamed fish with some rice and peas.